Hey creators, ready to level up your social media game? Drop a yes in the comments if you're excited to create and stop perfect posts with some AI magic. Ever felt like your posts are missing that wow factor? We promise to elevate your content with the power of AI. In this video, we'll show you how to use AI to craft eye-catching social media posts. Search for Microsoft Designer in your browser. Click on the first link, designer.microsoft.com. It will take you to this page. Check out all the cool things AI can do, like image creator, design creator, generative erase, remove background, blur background, and brand kit creator. Now, let's explore the design creator. Click here. Here, you can describe your design whatever you have in mind. Click here. Amazingly, it will generate a variety of posts for you. Microsoft suggests the perfect prompt based on your description. Just click the prompt, and then click Generate. And it gives more interesting post and design options. Make your design even more personal by adding your own image from your device. Click here and select whatever you want to add from your own images. Or, if you find the perfect post image, click Generative Media. Describe the image you want. Click here. Select the suitable one. Click Select, and then click Generate. Now, select one of your favorite posts. If you want to edit your post, click Customize Design. If you want to change the content, click here, enter your description. Click Replace all the text. If you want to add animation to your post, select the animation effects, and your post will animate. Okay, your Instagram post is ready. Now, let's generate hashtags and descriptions. Click Download. Select Try It. Choose your social media and set your goal. Here, enter a quick description about the post. Click Generate here. Choose the perfect list. Click on Hashtags. Select the appropriate ones. Click Review. And copy the hashtags and captions. Finally, you're done. Okay, let's download the post. Click Download here. Select the file type. And click Download. Your post is downloaded. That's it, guys. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.